A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, assalamu alaikum. I am here, your English teacher. First of all, read dua with me. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Hope so you are doing good with your parents and with your family. Students, class 7. First of all, open your English planner with me. So students, we are doing week 4 and today we will do period number 27, textbook exercise part C, learning about the language on the book, page number 22-23, part C 2, learning about language, book, page number 22-23 on notebook. Learn definition of phrasal verb with example. Okay, and now mention the date and day on the planner. Okay, and now open the book page number 22 with me. Okay, this is learning about the language and definition of phrasal verb. Some words and preposition or adverbial particles has special meaning. Such expressions are called phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is a form of expression which is peculiar to the language. Okay, this is definition of the phrasal verb. You have to learn these definitions. Okay, in the next we are going to do exercise number A and exercise number B, 1 and 2. Use one of the phrasal verb from the box in place of the word in italic in each sentences below. The phrasal verb can be used in form of then once. Okay, here are some verbs are given. Okay students, here look at some verbs are given and all verbs are followed by the preposition, different preposition. If the word followed the preposition, then it meaning become change. Okay, but in case mostly words change their meaning when it followed by the preposition. Okay, like put in, put up, put out, put away, put across, put off, put out. Put in mean दाखिल करना, put up mean ऊपर रखना, put out mean बाहर निकाल देना, बाहर डाल देना, and put away दूर रखना, put across इत्तला देना, put off मुलतवी करना, and put about चक्कर देना. So here some sentences are given and we have to change the italic words and write down the phrasal verb. Okay, so the news about the Shakir was not true. It was a rumor circulated by the ant. Circulated, underline the circulated and write down the put about. Put about. Okay, the story of the show was so exciting only because it was communicated in the dramatic way. Here, put across. In the put across, the old couple saved a little monkey every month for their retirement. Save a little monkey, it means put away. Put away. The large man consumed 12 cake and 2 liter of milk. Consume, put away. They moved into the office as soon as the fan of being installed. Installment put in. Because of the rain, the match was postponed. Put off. Put off. The fireman soon extinguished by blazing fire. Put out. The next one is the old man dislocated his shoulder while he was digging a flower bed. Put out. Dislocated, put out. Okay, write down the underline the italic word and the write down the phrasal verb. Okay, use each of the following the sentences you're off on. First, use them as phrasal verb and then in their literal sense. Okay, these were we will do on English notebook. So let's open English notebook with me. Okay, students. Here, first of all, I have done the work. First of all, open the English notebook. Mention the date and day on the top of the page. Write the chapter name, Black Beauty. Learning about the language. Use each of the following in the sentences of your own. Okay, get by. Get by. Get through. Fall through. Lock into. Bring up and stand in. The first is get by. The carriage carrying the president could not get by because there were too many people on the road. Get through. He could not get through the window because it was too small. Fall through. Be careful or you will fall through a roof. Look into, hold light and look into the wall. Bring up. Please bring up the chair when you come upstairs. Stand in. The teacher asked the boy to stand in the corner of the room. Students, this is today's word. Do your work neat and clean and give one finger distance. And learn the definition of the phrasal verb from your notebook. And do your work neat and clean. Stay blessed and stay at home. Okay, have a nice day. Inshallah we will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.